Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you what you can do if you're unable to launch apps from Windows Search on Windows 10. Windows Search can not only find the apps that are installed on your system, it can also launch them if you either click on them or tap the Enter key. If doing so doesn't launch an app, what you need to do is you need to open the Settings app and go to the Privacy group of settings. Go to the Background Apps tab, and here you're going to find a switch called Let Apps Run in the Background. If it's already on, you should turn it off, and then the next thing you need to do is you need to go back to your desktop and click inside Cortana. Click this hamburger button at the top, and from the options you should sign out from your account in Cortana. Now after you've done both of these things, you need to restart your system. When the restart is complete, again open the Settings app and go to the Privacy group of settings and select Background Apps. Turn the switch called Let Apps Run in the Background back on. And after that, you can sign into Cortana again. Once these settings have been changed back, your Windows search should start working again. Remember that this fix is only for if you can't launch apps from Windows Search. If Windows Search can't find apps on your system, that's a different problem altogether. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.